Yes, I fucking can see it.
Back to our channel. As you can see, we've just collected our ferry tickets at the NorthLink ferry terminal here at Scrabster, which is in Scotland, mainland, very, very far north, and we're just catching the ferry from Scrabster to Stromness, trying to get that right, for our winter trip up to Orkney.
Yeah, we did do it very last minute, so they didn't actually know we were booked on when we pulled up, so that's why we went into the office to pick our tickets up because we weren't on the system. So,
yeah, that's how last minute it was. So
we have done this journey before, but never at this time of year. It's 7 o'clock at the moment,
yeah,
and as you can see, it's pitch black.
It is pitch black.
It's been pitch black for a few hours as well.
It has. So I'm not sure we're going to see much on the ferry on the way over. We might go back inside because it is freezing cold. We've had snow and hail already, so yeah, we're hoping this trip will be good. So.
We'll give you a look around the ferry in case you haven't seen it before.
This vessel is built and equipped to the highest standards, and we wish you to have every comfort and care during your time with us.
So this ferry journey takes an hour and a half. Normally we're on much longer ferries over to Shetland, which can be 12 to 14 hours.
Yeah, our last couple to Shetland have actually been quite rough ones, so we're kind of expecting the same thing at the moment, it being winter, and it does feel a bit rocky. Not that you can see anything, but yeah, it feels quite similar to our last 2 trips.
Yeah, but because we're on not for as long, it's not too bad. I mean, we were rocking on the last one and we felt really ill.
Yeah, so we haven't got a cabin on this one, so we're just making use of the chairs and just having a wander around, really.
Yeah, we don't normally do that because we're normally in the cabin.
Yeah.
If we're not on the deck, we're normally in the cabin, so it's quite nice to have a wander around. And this ferry's slightly different layout to the other ones as well, because probably not as many cabins on here, so
yeah.
There's a few more seats. So we're just pulling into Stromness now, as you can see in the background. Probably can't see anything. So the next time we see you, we'll probably be hopping back on this ferry again to return back to the Scotland mainland.
It'll probably be just as dark as it is now.
Yes, it will. at Orkney for a few days and we're getting the ferry back very early tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we're over here to try and see orca. We have actually seen orca on Orkney before, so
Yeah.
we'll put a little link up if you want to check any of them videos out. So far we haven't managed yet, but as we said, we've only given it a few days.
Yeah.
But we did see a short-eared owl yesterday, which was really cool.
That was really cool, yeah, and we managed to watch it for quite a while just as the sun was sort of setting, which was quite early in the day.
Yeah.
Actually. It was like 2:30 or something.
We just saw it by chance. It just flew out in front of the van when we was on the track, so yeah, that was really good.
Yeah, that was really good. So we will see you a bit later on when we get to the ferry terminal.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So we're currently waiting at the ferry terminal at Stromness, waiting to board the ferry, which is over there. It is 5:30 in the morning. It's -1. I had to scrape the car this morning, which we should have recorded to show you, but it was like an ice cube. So it's a bit of an ice rink, but absolutely freezing cold. And we're hoping we can get on the ferry soon, because it'll be a lot warmer. Wondering why I'm holding some toast. We've got some toast, which is what we've had for breakfast. It's probably the only vegan thing on the menu, but they had flora, which was great, and they had jam that was vegan, so we can't really complain. It's the first time having breakfast
It is,
or
yeah,
eating
on the
anything
NorthLink.
really on the NorthLink.
Yeah, we're on the Hamlerbow again, so it is the same ferry, so we won't show too much because it's just the same thing as on the way up here, but yeah, this is us leaving Stromness. It's probably around 6:15 or something.
So it's a little bit early. And hopefully in an hour or so we might see the sun start to rise, which will be nice.
I don't know about that.
It's pretty dark at the moment, so we can't see much.
As usual, we're the only ones on the deck.
Probably because it's freezing cold and we're the only ones crazy enough to be out. Just arriving in Scrabster now. It looks lovely. The sun is just starting to rise.
It's just about light.
Just about light, but freezing cold. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
A bit.
Bye.